TV back with another video. In today's video, about to upgrade my headlights. Just thinking about doing the grill today. Might do that another day. But swap my headlights, bottom lights, swap them out. So yeah, we're gonna hop right into it. And the first thing I'm gonna do, remove these pins from the headlights. I'm gonna get all these lights out real quick and start with that. All right, so I got the headlights, them lights all off, the grill off. Wasn't gonna do the grill today, but since it's already off, might as well go ahead and just knock that out. So yeah, next thing I'm about to start doing, I'll start with my bottom lights, hook those up first, and I'm gonna show y'all how to tap in with the new lights. But yeah, this is next. Look ugly right now, but it's about to go up. And what I did to connect these lights, I got a little female part. Where's it at? Right there. And I'm gonna connect it into there. These are like some little splitters that you could buy at AutoZone. I bought the splitters from AutoZone. And now what I'm gonna do, like I said, hook that one up, and then your black is your ground. Do the same thing with that, and be right back. So yeah, got the lights in. Got to finish the grill up, 3-piece grill. It comes with these clips, so you want to take these clips right here, put them on, and remove these old ones right here. Remove those up out of there. You're gonna see how it looks when it's all hooked up. How it looks when it's all done. Got the grill in, fin style grill, with the DRL lights, top and bottom. And it came in a set. So that's it. Final shit. You need some advice on how to put these together. Tap in with me, let me know. All the links will be in the description for all the parts. TV signing off. Like, comment, subscribe, turning bells on. This is just part one of the Tahoe front end upgrade. Thinking about doing the bumper next, and the bottom fog lights too. Them is next. So tap in with me on this journey, man. We get this motherfucker looking clean, boy. Gone.